Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. After a long time I'm going for a trip. This place is near Virajpet. We have got into the Nangala Tiger Reserve. The drive is good. We took the Mysore Virajpet road. Another 6 kilometers to the resort. The drive was really good. The scenic beauty, especially the forest area, so beautiful, well maintained, where it looks really beautiful. So guys, reached the destination. The drive was good, the roads were good, nothing to worry. We are really very hungry. They have prepared some Kodava lunch. Let's go and check in and have lunch first.
So for hardcore campers, we have the dedicated tents for them also. So for you, we'll be giving you a family wooden cottage which will have a attic and a ground floor. Okay. The wooden attic.
Okay.
We have kayaking, coracle, zipline, Burma bridge.
So this is the cottage where we are going to stay. We'll get it? Wow. This is so cool. Oh, something outside. Can sit here. Wow, this is really good. Okay. Akhi roti, Coorg special lunch. Have one for you. So we've got some pork curry and fish curry. I'll try the pork.
Oh, hi.
You're going to the lake? There's a beautiful pond here. You can do kayaking and what else do you do here? Coracle kayaking.
Swimming.
Swimming also you can do? Yes. Okay, okay. You'll be giving some life jacket or something.
Yes.
Okay.
So there is platform for jump also.
Okay,
Soft
safe. Uh-huh.
Just go inside the water.
Water and jump.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful place. The view there is really good.
Mud volleyball setup.
So actually there is Naresh with me. He is in charge of the activities, the adventure activities.
Yes.
So he'll tell us more about the adventure. Tomorrow also will be there. We'll be doing some adventure activities. This is a field here where they play.
So we put water in the field,
Uh-huh.
and water is this much water.
Okay.
And mud.
Okay.
That time they take a mud bath and
Okay. It's full maja.
Yeah.
Okay. Lot of birds are also there, right?
Yeah, many birds.
Oh my goodness. If you sit there. So guys, next activity, we are going for a plantation walk. It's around 7:30 p.m. Dark. We'll be using some lantern and there's something special about it. So let me check that out. Could be we'll be able to spot some rare birds or something. I don't know. They have told that it's interesting. Let's see that what it's.
Not too long. This is around 1.5 kilometer walk, county to county.
Okay.
So just be careful. First 20% walk is little bit up and down. After that, plain walk,
Okay.
like road. Okay. So we are.
Many types of coffee. In Coorg, we have basically three. Okay, one is Arabica, Robusta, and Kaveri.
Yeah.
What is this? This bush.
Bush flower.
Okay.
Okay. So in this side, that same come and come on this side. Elephant. Okay. One more thing. So elephant.
What's that?
Normally we call it as Maddu Tappu. Maddu Tappu means Maddu is medicine.
Like this big. Okay. Do you know why on this plant?
The night plantation walk was great. This is for the first time I've done it. I never gone for a plantation walk when it's after getting dark, and I did the stargazing for the first time in my life. So that was also very interesting. Tomorrow morning we'll be going to the same place for the sunrise. That's the plan. Now we'll have our dinner, and tomorrow we'll plan the barbecue. In fact, night they do barbecues. Tonight we are not planning for barbecue. We'll relax. We'll have our dinner and go to bed. Tomorrow morning we need to go to watch the sunrise. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, it's morning time. We are planning to go to have a look at the sunrise to a nearby place. Yesterday night we went to watch the stars and the night plantation walk. That's the place where we are going to watch the sun rise.
You heard the owl's call?
The view is really amazing. It's very foggy and chilling also. The night sleep was really good. It was cold. We could hear some sound and it was really good. We really enjoyed it. I think it would take some more time for the sun to be visible. Hopefully it would be visible. Very foggy. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the place where we came last night to watch the stars, stargazing.
के लिए आपको ये वाला जो लैडर है इसको क्लाइंब करना है, वो टावर के ऊपर आना है, ठीक है।
Now this is ideal for people, like more number of people coming and staying together. At least I think 15, 20, how many, 20, 25 people can stay?
20, 25 people.
20, 25 people can stay here. Very nicely done. Beds, lights and attached toilets are also. Even upstairs there are some facilities. Let's go up. Okay. It's really cool. No need of fans also here. So it has a beautiful balcony here. Okay. See, there are different accommodation facilities available here, like tents, cottages, and so this is the tent for a couple. It's ideal. They have power. So this dormitory kind of facility is also amazing. If you're interested in coming and staying in this place, you can contact them. They'll give you all the facility details available. It's beautiful. Actually, you are staying almost like in a forest. That's the biggest thing what I found here, and you are interacting very closely with the nature. A lot of activities are there, fun activities. We are coming in a group. You can spend a lot of time doing these activities. Morning we did some good activities, and again some more are coming in the afternoon. We'll be going to the pond where we saw the sunset yesterday. Then yeah, we'll have lunch after some time.
Come on, guys.
Take the ring out. Take the ring out. Keep it on your hand.
2-1.
Very good.
Come on, guys. No touch, no touch. Just 41.90. Okay, you're ready?
How much time do I get? Is there a timer? How much time?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. What? When did it start?
Okay, you are ready? You are ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah. Wait, he's the sole decision maker.
Yeah. Please.
Arey, ruk na. He's counting. Watch, you're confusing me. You have to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're counting? You have to tell me.
No, I'm.
Reusable balloon, no?
बाहर मत निकल. Wow!
One kayak. In the coracle, 4 people capacity. Go inside. I will tell you how to the pad. Okay, or otherwise just.
Coracle and kayaking. It's really fun, safe, and we really enjoyed it. Bird eye chili wine, homemade wine, right?
Yeah, homemade.
So off to some activities.
It's called County Treasure Hunt.
County treasure hunt.
Okay, so generally, the treasure hunt is like, you go, you dig something and get it, right? So in county, we do it in the other way around. Spider web.
अब पता है मेरे को क्या है.
Has scored, 8 points from the regular. Three teams, because post COVID, no one wants to be in one team, different groups in one team. So we took that courage and asked you, you guys were amazing, because you guys were ready to mingle, and the activity were fantastic.
Fantastic experience. Thanks to the entire Evergreen County team for making us feel at home and making us have a fun time for 2 days now. Good plantation walks, good morning games, good splitting of couples, good adventure activities, very fun Burma trip activity. But, yeah, but very well managed, right from the activities to the stay to the food to bringing all people together. Fantastic experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was an amazing experience staying at Evergreen County. Actually, this is our first trip coming, and we had a very good experience. The food, stay, activities, everything. It was just amazing. Loved it. And next time, hopefully, I come with my entire family.
Yeah, okay. Great. Thank you. So guys, we have done with the stay at the Evergreen County. Had a wonderful stay. Experience was great, especially the adventure games, and we had a good team with us. We had really good fun. I enjoyed really nicely, and I have Anthony here with me from Evergreen County.
Hi guys.
Hi. Can you tell me something about the place? Any speciality about this place, or what do you want?
This place is ideally suited for the adventure lovers and the nature lovers. If someone wants to really spend their quality time with the nature and do some, adventure activities, this place is tailor-made for them.
How about the food? You serve vegetarian food.
Yeah,
I really enjoyed the Coorg food. That was my favorite.
Yeah, so we generally serve the Coorg food and the South Indian.
Okay.
And the major USP of this property is the barbecue, which is made.
Wow,
the live barbecue, the both vegetarian and the chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We appreciate your hospitality. We really enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.